Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Vastranand. Thank you so much for sharing your love, your support to our Instagram, to our YouTube channel, to this brand since last 10 years. And that is the reason we always come up with, double pomp to show you our one of the finest collections. So today in this video, I'm going to show you Kalamkari pieces in linen fabric, which is perfect throughout the year to wear apart from winters obviously, but apart from that, when you talk about comfort, it is perfect for each and every season. Let's quickly jump into today's collection. So we have 3 to 4 colors available over here. This is the first one, which is going to be in black toned black base with multicolored work. Look at the print and look at how light and airy this already looks, guys. The piece that I am wearing, look, it is so light, and let me tell you, it is not at all making me feel, irritated or making me feel congested. I'm completely free after wearing this. Now let me show you the designs. Let us play a bit of a focus on the designs first. Look at the detailing. So this is going to be the pallu. Look at the detailing, guys. The fishes, the leaves, the florals, everything is really, really nice. The vibrancy of the saree is, not very irritating to the eyes. It's really subtle. Now, talking about in what occasions you can wear this. Well, according to me, you can wear this at any official party, maybe friends getting together, family get-togethers. You can obviously wear something like this. Go for nice chunky oxidized jewelry, and yes, you're good to go. This is going to be the blouse that you see, floral printed blouse. Okay. Well, already warning you guys, throughout the video, I'm going to keep irritating you talking about the fabric. Because let me tell you, I'm already a fan of this linen over here because it is really airy. It's really comfortable. Okay. This is your pallu over here. Let's open up. Okay. So this is the pallu. Again, the entire print is going to be same, but the colors are going to be different. Now, this color over here, this is going to be nice neonish kind of a yellow. Okay, so this is the whole look of the saree. Also, for people who prefer wearing less of sarees or maybe are not comfortable carrying it, for say working women, they are not very comfortable carrying this for 24 hours. So this saree is completely great to go for the entire day. Okay, be it the design is also not very extra. It's very simple. The fabric is comfortable, so it is perfectly good to go for the entire day. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is your pallu design over here. Okay. This is a nice pink shade, bright to go. So for the people who love darker tones, they can maybe go for their previous black saree. And for the people who love bright colors, they can go for yellow that I showed you, this pink, and here's your blouse. And again, moving on, for the people who love dark tones, I have this blue to show you, the one that I am wearing right now. Okay, look at this. This blue is also perfectly good to go for people who have a more likings towards darker shade of color palette. Then you guys can for sure go for something like this. I already feel as if I'm going to go to some office because this entire look is just perfect and good to go. How can you place orders for this? You have the contact number right now on the screen. You can contact us. We are all ears. And then apart from that, you can order through our application, which is Vastranand. Go and download it right now. It is great to go for both iOS and Android. Till then, have a wonderful day and happy shopping with us. Bye-bye.